In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock ranked in Fortnite on a new account. In order to do that, you can first head over and get the rank mode on Fortnite. You must complete an Outlast 500 players quest that can be found in your Kickstart quest. So you need to outlast 500 players to actually get over this. Once you completed this quest, you'll be able to toggle rank mode on or off in the mode selection in the Fortnite lobby. So once you have outlasted 500 players, not killed but outlast, you can get over this particular quest and get the rank mode directly onto the Fortnite category. So I hope this video helped you with everything you need about Fortnite, and I hope this is good for you if you have new account or you're a new player. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope see you on our next video. If you have any questions, comment them down below as well.